So today is January 4th. We just had our snowstorm for the year. It's right on time, a little bit early. Usually the snow here happens late after Christmas, and it's really weird when it's like February and you're expecting, flower buds, and then the snow comes and it just messes everything up. But this year it's 2 weeks long, which is longer than usual, and we're done, I hope. So today we got red kiwi. So red kiwi is a new thing. Usually the fuzzy kiwi you've seen in the store is the green one, and then we got the sun gold, which is the golden kiwi, which is a lot sweeter. And then now we have this new one where it's called red kiwi, and it looks just like strawberry mixed with kiwi. You can see I'm really excited. It's just so beautiful. And what I noticed is it's less fuzzy than the standard fuzzy kiwi we have. And so let's get to it. The taste test, huh? So I already cut it so I can handle it with one hand. But the color's quite vibrant. Get one that ready. Here you go. It's interesting. So the green kiwi is tart, as we all know. The golden kiwi is twice as expensive because it's sweet. There's no acid in there, none whatsoever. I love it, but it's pricey. And this one, it's just like the golden kiwi, except has a hint of strawberry flavor to it. So it's between a golden kiwi and a green kiwi. Unique on its own. These ones aren't very ripe. Sometime with sun kiwi, I let it ripen quite a bit. Sometime with the green kiwi, the center right here is very chewy, but this one is very easy to eat. It's not that chewy. Yeah, I think it's just more prettier, but in a sense, these would be even more expensive than the golden kiwis. So, and their size is I would say medium to large. It doesn't get as big as a jumbo golden kiwi for size. It's not extra large, I know. So, but still, I think it's nice to have something else besides the green kiwi, which is not my favorite. I don't like tartness. I like sweet stuff. So in a sense, I'm really happy with the red fuzzy kiwi. They call it rouge, which is a red in French kiwi, but these or strawberry kiwi, I think, would be a nice name for it. Well, we'll see you next time.